Another milestone has been reached in the story of 3I Atlas, the mysterious celestial object, the subject of countless theories, speculations, and even conspiracy stories over the past few months, has just passed a critical phase in its journey through our solar system. Watched closely by millions across the world, 3I Atlas has now completed one of the most important steps in its trajectory. If you've been following this incredible story too, share what you've learned or what you think about it in the comments below. I'd love to hear your perspective. And if you enjoy exploring the mysteries of space, don't forget to subscribe for more deep space stories like this one.
Well, is it a comet, an asteroid, or alien technology? These are the questions swirling around a new visitor in our solar system. Scientists
On October 29th, 2025, 3I Atlas passed its closest point to the Sun, the Perihelion, marking a turning point in one of the most closely observed interstellar encounters in recent history. For weeks, astronomers had anticipated this moment as the ultimate test. Would the object behave like a comet, or would it once again defy expectations and spark fresh debate about its true nature? As the moment arrived, 3I Atlas mostly acted like a comet. Its surface heated up, triggering powerful jets of gas and dust that expanded into space. Observatories detected a sharp rise in water vapor and hydroxyl emissions, clear signs of outgassing typical of icy bodies nearing the Sun. From all appearances, this interstellar traveler followed the classic pattern of a comet entering its most active phase. But not everything was ordinary. Scientists noted a strange sunward jet, shooting directly toward the Sun rather than trailing behind. Spectroscopic data also hinted at nickel-rich emissions, a chemical profile that's far from common in solar system comets. These oddities reignited discussions about whether 3I Atlas might differ fundamentally from anything we've seen before. Perhaps a fragment of a planetesimal from another star, or an icy shard of material unknown to science. Despite the rumors and online buzz, nothing catastrophic happened on October 29th. There were no explosions, no sudden changes in trajectory, and no evidence of alien technology or hidden NASA footage. 3I Atlas passed safely through perihelion at a distance of more than 200 million kilometers from the Sun, remaining stable and intact. For now, Earth-based telescopes can observe it directly, as the comet is currently behind the Sun in what astronomers call solar conjunction, but several spacecraft positioned elsewhere in the solar system are continuing to collect data. These vantage points will help researchers monitor the object's outbound phase, which began immediately after the 29th. The intrigue lies not in what 3I Atlas did, but in what it represents. This is only the third interstellar object ever confirmed, after Oumuamua in 2017 and Borisov in 2019. Each has challenged our assumptions about how material moves between star systems. 3I Atlas's hyperbolic trajectory, with an eccentricity above 6, confirms it came from beyond our Sun's gravitational grasp. Unlike the two before it, however, Atlas offers a longer observation window and more pronounced cometary activity. That means more opportunities for scientists to study its chemistry and dynamics, insights that could reshape our understanding of how planetary systems form elsewhere in the galaxy. While the data so far supports the comet hypothesis, the anomalies remain. The nickel emissions, the unusual direction of gas jets, and the irregular brightness patterns don't neatly fit into established comet models. Some experts suggest the object could contain exotic ices, materials that sublimate differently than those in our solar system. Others see these quirks as potential signs that 3I Atlas formed under very different conditions, perhaps around a younger or metal-rich star. Of course, a handful of theorists continue to entertain more speculative possibilities, including the idea of artificial origin. But mainstream astronomers stress that there's no concrete evidence for such claims. The apparent mysteries, they argue, are exactly what makes science worth doing. What happens next? Now that perihelion has passed, 3I Atlas is beginning its outbound journey, moving away from the Sun and eventually back toward interstellar space. Over the next few months, it will fade in brightness as it cools, making direct observation increasingly difficult from Earth. However, spacecraft near Venus, Mars, and Jupiter will continue tracking it. These missions may provide valuable post-perihelion data, helping determine how the comet's activity changes as it leaves the sun's heat behind. By early 2026, astronomers hope to have enough data to produce the first comprehensive analysis of its composition and behavior. The broader value of this event goes beyond a single object. The Coordinated Observation Campaign for 3I Atlas has been a rehearsal for the future, a test of how quickly and effectively humanity can detect, track, and study interstellar visitors. These lessons could prove vital not only for understanding cosmic wanderers, but also for identifying potential impact threats or resources from beyond our solar system. In summary, the much-anticipated day has come and gone. 3I Atlas has crossed its most critical threshold without any drama or disaster, just the quiet, steady rhythm of cosmic mechanics. It remains a comet-like interstellar traveler, active and mysterious, but safely following its path. Still, the story is far from over. In the months ahead, as the data pours in and the object moves into the darkness once again, scientists will try to answer the lingering questions. Why is its composition so unusual? What does it tell us about other star systems? And will we ever see another visitor like this again? For now, one thing is certain. 3I Atlas has reminded humanity how vast, unpredictable, and endlessly fascinating our universe truly is. If you enjoyed this journey through the terrifying beauty of space, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss what's coming next.